Fundamentals of Counting. Introduction. I chose this topic because counting is everywhere in IT. From password network addresses, database records to system configurations. Counting helps us understand to the total number of possibilities and make better decision is design systems. What is fundamentals of counting? Fundamentals of counting is a branch of discrete mathematics that help us determine the number of possibilities outcome of an event system without listening all possibilities. Key techniques include multiplication rule, addition rule, permutations, combinations. Their roles are essential in IT for calculating possibilities, predicting outcomes, and ensuring system reliability. A. Multiplication rule. If one action has in choice and another has n choice, then the total number outcomes is mxn. IT example. A system generate a 3 characters code. Each characters can be letter 26 option. Each character can also be a digit 10 options. Total combination for each character equals 26 plus 10 equals 36. For 3 characters, 36 times 36 times 36 equals 46,656 possible codes like application, password generations, verification codes, unique IDs. B. Addition rule. When two action cannot happen at the same time, the total number of outcomes equals m plus n. The IT example, choosing a server for deployment, 5 servers in data center A, 3 servers in data center B. Total deployment option equals 5 plus 3 equals 8 ways. C. Permutations. Permutation counts the number of arrangements where the order is important. Example, scheduling 3 tasks in CPU 3 equals 6 possible orders. Application in IT, task scheduling, CPU instruction, ordering, ranking search result. E. Real-world IT example scenario generating 4 digits numeric PIN codes for banking system. Digits 0 minus 9, 10 options per digit. Total PIN codes 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10,000 combinations. This ensures that account have enough possible codes to prevent easy guessing. Reflections. Counting may seem simple but extremely important in IT. It helps in security, database design, networking, system configuring, and software testing. Understanding the fundamentals of counting allows IT professionals to predict possibilities, design efficient systems, and maintaining security. Mathematics is truly the foundation of technology.